Hey guys, Philip with Royal Range USA here in Nashville, Tennessee. So today I have our Director of Training, Bob Allen here, and we're going to talk about some drills that you can do at your range back at home, or if you have property, some stuff that you can do on your own to get some good practice in.
So a lot of times we see people come into a range and they'll get their bullets and get out here to the range and put up a target and just kind of shoot willy-nilly without really a plan of how to progress or how to be a better shooter. So one of the drills that we like to start people with is called a one-hole drill. What you see Phil demo is he'll shoot a bullet hole into the target, just in a blank piece of paper. So you really don't need a target. So you'll shoot a hole and you try to follow that with 4 more holes in that same hole. And you can do this from 2 yards or 3 yards. If you can keep them all in a certain size hole or a really tight group, then move the target back further. But again, it works on the 2 basics of lining the sights up, keeping them lined up as you press the trigger, which we all need work on.
So after we do the same hole drill and we kind of warm up a little bit, what's the next drill that we can kind of work towards and start learning some different techniques?
It's one we call changing gears, and I think on the website where you can look up these targets and actually print them off yourself at pistoltraining.com. And by changing gears, I mean you start out with a small itty-bitty target. Again, on your skill level, you'd pick the distance you want to do that. I think Phil shot it at like 5 yards. So you put 1 bullet hole here. Obviously, the smaller the target, the slower you should shoot and work the trigger better. This requires 2 bullets and this requires 3. So you can see each time you pick a different target, going up in size, you pick up the speed of the shooting drill. How fast I shoot a target generally is determined by how well my sights are lined up and how big the target is, or how far away it is. So this drill is all about lining the sights up and pressing the trigger. So again, everybody that teaches tactics and shooting drills, as advanced as we get, always start off with the basics of lining the sights up and pressing the trigger and getting hits. Because it don't matter if you're the fastest gun in the West. If you don't hit what you're aiming at, it really doesn't make a difference.
So these are a few beginner and warm-up drills that we recommend here at Royal Range. If you have any drills that you like to run at home or at your local range, be sure to let us know in the comments below. From Royal Range USA in Nashville, Tennessee, I'm Philip and this is Bob. Thanks for watching.